Okay, so tonight we're having homemade bacon, mushroom, onion Swiss burgers with different breads. This is a sesame bun and this is a potato. I have ketchup, mustard, what the fuck?
That's it.
And mayo.
And mayo.
And seasoned fries and onion rings.
So hey guys, we're back again. And tonight's dinner is a homemade meal by yours truly. Mushroom Swiss burger with some, let's say, I got that sesame bun here. Y'all see that? Got that regular bun.
No, it's a potato bun.
Oh, potato bun. We got that seasoned fries and onion rings. So the burger basically got some bacon in it, grilled onions, sautéed mushrooms. We have different seasonings in ours, but like mine's is mayo and just A1 steak sauce. Because I'm telling you guys right now, that's all you guys really need is some A1 steak sauce. Cause that's fire.
And sugar-free lemonade.
Yeah, some sugar-free lemonade on top of that. So I don't even know where I'm gonna start with.
I don't know. I'm hungry. Thanks for cooking, honey. It's good.
Excuse me.
Oh, your garlic aioli stuff.
Oh yeah. So this is a garlic aioli or aioli. Not too sure. Sorry guys. Let me know. But this is really good.
It's my Friday. I have a 4-day weekend.
Always. That's just how she roll. So sorry guys, this is gonna be very messy.
It's gonna be super messy. I don't even know which one to pick.
Me too, like, cause it's just so big, like, you guys don't even know, like. Hold on.
Sorry, I'm just gonna dig in. Finding where to bite. Mushrooms are falling. Everything's falling out of my burger.
This is the potato.
And we're eating the same one. Yeah.
Oh. So this is the potato bun, and look how massive that is. Homemade patties, everything, guys. I want you to try mine. The A1 sauce. She don't try the A1 sauce, guys. Ooh.
I don't eat A1. Look at how big it is. Seasoned fries. Oh my god. Did that drip on you now? Or is that from work?
Yes, that dripped on me now.
Messy burgers. Messy video, sorry.
Oh, sorry, actually, this is from work. Sorry, guys, this is paint. I thought that was mayo.
Me too.
Yeah, I tried, but it's actually paint.
That lemonade's really good.
What, Bob?
It's not bad. It's Minute Maid.
No, something's garlic aioli.
It's over here. So how was your guys' week?
I know, like the week
It flew by. Try this on our French fry.
Can you try?
Go ahead.
It's like the garlic mayo from Yankee.
Mm-hmm.
Almost.
Mm.
Can you try my baby?
No. My onion ring fell on. I'm still gonna eat it.
The case of the onion rings, huh?
Mm-hmm. These are really good. So if you know me, like, I don't really eat adventurous foods. Like, I didn't really like tomatoes and onion. I would never eat Thai food. I would never eat a lot of vegetables. I would only eat stuff that, like, I know, like lettuce, bell peppers, maybe I'd eat bell peppers. What else? Like bean sprouts, none of that. I never used to eat, like, barely carrots, and yeah, I wear glasses. But I just never really cared for it. And then now that I'm married, like, I like a lot of food.
Sorry, guys.
Dang. It's so messy.
I'm like so
hungry
from work
Mm-hmm.
that I'm barely talking. But let me tell you, this is really good. Go ahead and try it, guys. Like, make your own patties and make them real fat. You know? And
My
get you
burger's
some
so
Swiss
messy.
cheese,
Look, oh my God, it's
some
falling apart.
sautéed mushroom and onions if you like that stuff. Throw in some mayo and some A1 sauce. You got you a barbecue onion burger. Swiss mushroom. Yeah.
Oh my God. My burger's falling apart.
You like your burger?
Mm-hmm.
Can you try mine?
No. Mine is falling apart.
Is it the A1? That's why?
Yeah, I don't like A1 sauce. Like, I'm so happy it's the weekend, guys, because I get to go biking.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I've been waiting all week because I get off at 6 p.m. And it's too dark and cold to ride bike up here.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, I'm so excited that we get to ride bikes. I'm trying to ride 2 times a day. I'm trying to do it.
I was gonna ride to your job today, but it was just too late, you know?
Yeah.
Well,
Wow.
messing up the video.
Chelsea's calling.
Chelsea.
That's our sister.
No. If she don't call one phone, she calls the other.
She called both of us. I shouldn't get mad that we didn't answer. That's how it goes.
But why the both of you guys didn't answer?
Because she knows I'm done work already.
Oh, you know what? She called me earlier. And I was like,
Why?
at work. Of course.
Oh.
But I told her, I was like, yes. And she was like, what are you doing? You at work? I was like, yes, I'm at work. And my coworkers are there. She's like, oh, okay, I'm so sorry. Call me after. I was like, okay, yeah, I'll call you when I'm done work. I didn't call her. I swear, she's calling.
Probably. That onion felt kind of raw. Not the onion ring, but the onion with the mushroom.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Okay. Add a little texture. This is really good. I drank mine already though. Look, I drink a lot. Like, I drink a lot of drink with my meals.
Well, I was raised to, like, not drink while we eat. So my drink is always sitting and waiting for me to finish my food. But, like, when I eat a lot, like, I gotta drink something.
And, like, some people will be like, ew, you're eating your burger and your fries together. That's how you're supposed to eat it. That's how I eat it.
What?
Like, some people eat their burger first, then they eat their fries last. Like, I'm not like that. I need a bit of everything for my taste buds, you know?
Sorry, guys. My food is blocked this whole time.
Oh, really? I didn't even notice.
Well, I don't know how long it was blocked for, but...
Oh, because you put your sauce to show.
Oh, I'm getting full already. Cannot be like the one bite crew, huh?
They eat all their food.
I eat all my food, just so you guys know. All the time. Clean plate, right? Clean plate, gang.
Usually, sometimes.
So I can tell I'm getting full.
Mm-hmm. These are some big burgers, though.
These are some massive burgers. I made them good, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're looking at them like, I don't want to do the little patties or the big patties.
Yeah, these are huge. Mm. And I was like, looking at them, I think I'm gonna need to eat 3 to get full.
That was off of one. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, sorry. I'm putting it down. I'm not trying to mess with that. I'm like, damn.
I don't know, me too. I don't know how you mukbangers do it, but that's just like crazy how y'all just can't finish a massive amount of food. Like, look, we got like pretty big burgers and we ate one and that was it.
Like,
we're done. So I mean, like, give us a challenge maybe. You might just give me a challenge that might make me puke my brains out. I don't wanna.
It's like 9:30 over here.
Excuse me.
And I was snacking on fries.
Yeah, me too.
While you were cooking.
I was snacking on onion rings.
What was that?
Look, it fell off the onion ring.
Like, look, my burger completely like melted my bun.
It's so thick, that's why.
Oh my god.
It's cool.
I'm gonna have to eat this for like a later snack.
Me too, guys.
I'm not gonna be able to finish it. So we bought bigger plates. So maybe that's why it looked like a little bit of food, but
That was a lot.
I'm about to tap out.
Me too, guys. So you know what? Let me know if you want the recipe for these burgers and these fries, you know what I mean? Thank you very much for watching us again. Let us know what you want us to eat. Do you have anything to say, Cher?
Nope.
Besides, thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we're probably gonna do more home cooked foods this weekend.
Yeah, I like home cooked, guys. You know, like, I mean, let us know if you'd rather have us go ahead and give you guys like recipes. We can record us cooking.
That's
or we could do a separate video of us cooking.
But we can do some stuff.
And then a different one of us like doing the food and eating. Alright, well, have a good night, guys. You guys be safe out there.